Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just hopped out of the shower. My rose gold is popping. So we're gonna do my quick every night skincare routine. Some of these steps vary depending on what I'm doing or how my skin's doing that day, but yeah, so let's get started. So first thing we do after cleansing our skin, I wash my face in the shower with the Sunday Riley ceramic slip, so my skin is nice and clean. And then we're gonna go in with our Max Correction complexion pads. These are from Peter Thomas Roth, and they are a 2% salicylic, 10% glycolic, and arginine, allantonin, whole leaf aloe vera, anti-aging, super clarifying, and I love them. Alright, so they have an exfoliating side and a soft side. I got a facial the other day, so I'm going to be using the soft side. I'm going to lightly run this all over the face. And this is a very important step, especially if you are a makeup wearer, because often that cleanse, we just don't get everything off, so this will make sure you get everything. Yep, there is a little bit left, so boom, done. Alright, so next we're going to use two different toners. I'm using the Belif Problem Solution Toner and the UnWrinkle Turbo Peptide Solution from PTR. I like doing the Tea Tree Belif Toner first. It does not, neither contain alcohol, so any skin type can use them. And I like the Problem Toner because it has tea tree oil. It doesn't have salicylic, so it's not exfoliating. And I just find it super nourishing, and it helps keep my breakouts at bay and is not overly drying. I never saturate a cotton round with toner because you just are going to waste a lot of it, so I just pat it into the skin. And we'll move on to our next step. Following that, a little bit of the PTR UnWrinkle. This is a peptide formula, so it's going to help firm, tone, tighten, get rid of any fine lines, prevent new ones. And there's also 24 karat gold, so that in itself is very toning, firming, anti-aging, and antibacterial. So if you're acne prone and also want some anti-aging benefits, that is an excellent one to look into. I'm just pressing that into the skin. Cool. So after we've done that, we're going to start in with our serums. I'm going to go grab those and I'll be right back. So this is where I'll change things up depending on how my skin's doing. Because I just got a facial, I'm not going to be using anything with retinol tonight. So I'm taking the Muraf Hydration Enzyme Night Fix. This is an enzyme-based night serum. And then I'm also taking the Dr. Dennis Gross IPL serum. This is quite strong with the 10% vitamin C, kojic, and lactic acid. And I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3 drops of that. The IPL serum will help diminish spots, fine lines. It is kind of like an IPL laser at home. It really has been completely resurfacing my skin. And I avoid the eye area. You don't want to get that on your eye. Pat that in. I was gonna put a shirt on for this video, but views. And then next up is a sample that I've been trying from Sephora. I work at Sephora, so I like to try a lot of things and give feedback to clients. So this is the Dr. Roebucks Collagen Eye Cream. I've been obsessed. It's only 40 bucks. So I think I'm gonna buy it once I'm done with this sample, because I actually really enjoy it, and we don't have a Dr. Roebucks rep because they are an Australian company. So that said, we don't get free product from them. And I'm just patting that all into my eye area, making sure to go on my smile lines, and then massaging the rest in around the eye area. I'm just gonna tap that in. Cool. So while this soaks in, I will usually do my Grande lash, so we'll do that now. And I'll zoom you in just a smidge for this. So I'm taking my Grande and running this right along the lash line. This is really hard to do using the viewfinder. And then the other side. I don't do my bottom lashes anymore because there's just no point, but if you were to do so, just run it right along the lash line. Don't get it in your waterline like I just did. And yeah. Cool. Okay, so I totally take that back. I am going to be using a retinol tonight. This is the Green Relief Therapeutic Sleep Cream from PTR. 1 pump. This is a 2% retinol complex with colloidal oatmeal, so it's very calming. 1 pump is enough. It does have oatmeal in it, so you want to massage it first to break down any of those particles. and then massage this into the face. Now, they are going to redo the formula and more finely mill the oatmeal because some people were saying it has too much texture to it. I don't mind it, just make sure you massage it and then you'll be good to go. Alright, 2 more steps. So following that, avocado sleeping mask. This is from Glow Recipe. I'm obsessed with this. It is an avocado, honey, and something else based sleeping mask, but my little tip, this jar is double the size of a normal moisturizer, and you can use it every day, so I've actually just been using this as my day moisturizer. So when I do my day routine, you'll see that, and it's only 45. So you're almost getting a free ounce of moisturizer, whereas like if I were to do my Drunk Elephant Lala Retro at 1.7 ounces, this is 2.7, that is $60, and this is 45, so little tip there. I'm taking about just that much, and I'm just going to go right on top of the green relief, patting that in, making sure to get that on my neck, décolleté, and then the last step will be our oil. So for my oil, I'm actually, this is not what's in here, this is the You to the People Goji, Acai Prickly Pear and Goji oil. I finished this, but I'm using the dropper. What's in here is actually the Herbivore Emerald. I made a couple samples for myself to take home and try for the week before I buy the full bottle. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4 drops. And with oils, you want to do them as your last step. And this is because oil has a larger molecule size than any other product that you'll be using. So if you were to use this first, any of your serums and all your like nice expensive products that you don't want to waste will not soak in. Very important to make sure you do that last, unless it's a treatment oil like the Sunday Riley's or the Muraf vitamin oil. Those you do first. Same with the Biosense vitamin C, that you could do before moisturizer. And then I'm just going to rub what's left into my cuticles, a little bit into my hair, and that is it, guys. We are prepped for bed. Another night I'll show you my routine when I'm doing masks and peels. I didn't really wear a lot of makeup today, so I don't need to do any charcoal mask, and I, again, just had a facial, so I don't want to go crazy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was informative, helpful, or you just enjoyed me not having clothes on. And I will see y'all in my next one. My cat's she's freaking out. Alright, I gotta go. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.